Hello everyone, this is Prakhar from Smart Interviews and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we have Zeeshan with us who has successfully got placed in Insight Softwares Private Limited, which is a US based company with 11.5 lakh per annum package. Today he is going to tell us that how he has managed to crack those interview rounds and how Smart Interviews played a crucial role in his journey. So let's get started.
Hi, my name is Sheikh Zeeshan and I am from Nizamabad. I
Okay.
completed my school from Government High School, 𝗟𝗲𝗃𝗃, which is a school in a village.
Okay.
And I completed my diploma polytechnic from Nizamabad, which is
Okay.
one of the top college. And currently I'm doing my graduation and I got placed in Insight Software Private Limited, which is US based company with package of
Okay.
11.5.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
that's great. First of all, congratulations from our side. Like that's really great. A really decent package as well. So
Yeah,
really, really congratulations.
thank
So,
you.
Zishan, what motivated you to pursue your current field of studies?
Actually, becoming a software engineering is one of my goal from my schooling days.
Okay.
As I belong from a middle class family, I didn't
Mm-hmm.
even thought of that I will do engineering in Hyderabad. Anyhow, suddenly I got the opportunity. I took it and I stuck to that decision and done with a lot of hard work from my schooling days, earning money and taking responsibilities of my own family. So
Okay.
facing
So,
so
so
many.
you have done your polytechnic while like doing a job. You have done your graduation while doing a job, like after doing a polytechnic.
My polytechnic was while doing a job, like I will manage those two things, right?
Okay, so you were working like where, like as in like for the company, or like you had your own
No.
business or something?
uh, I used to work in medical, like time job.
Okay. That's great. Yeah, that's really good. Like that's so nice of you. I mean, that's really great.
And I have done management in gym also, like
Oh,
I used to work as a manager.
so in your story, you have come a long way.
Yeah.
That's great. Yeah. So like yeah, tell me like what's the story then? Yeah.
So from initial stages of my life, I started taking responsibilities of my family, as my father faced so many problems. I think, and my brother, we are to basically in our family we are three members: my brother, sister, and me. So
Okay.
we three members started working in our initial stages to handle situations of our family. So I also took a part of that hard work sometime. So yeah.
Okay, and as you said that you have decided like to become an engineer like during your
Yeah,
schooling days as well. Like how it basically influenced your educational background.
actually from initial like from schooling I love to be use technologies and learn about technologies. On our schooling days there is no more resources to learn about technologies now, right? About 2015 or 14 15 and 16, like on those days phone mobiles are in initial stages, right? So uh, I used to just say I want to become a software engineer. After getting in diploma polytechnic, I got chance to learn about computers. I took computer science in polytechnic, where I got interest in this field. So I make this as a career option.
Okay. And like from where you have done your schooling, you said?
Government high school at 𝗟𝗲𝗃𝗃.
Gone. Okay. Like as you said that your journey was like something you've started working in your early stage.
Yeah.
So I won't say like have you faced any challenges or obstacles. So, but can you like briefly explain, like tell me like what kind of obstacles and challenges that you have faced and how did you overcome
Yeah,
them?
I want to share my experience about I used to work as a manager in gym na. So I my age is about 17. In 2021 I used to work as a manager in our gym. So
Mm-hmm.
there I faced many lot of challenges about while basically I'm a 17 years guy in gym. There will a lot of what attitude egoistic person will come now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Handling them is one of the challenging tasks. Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
in initial stages I face lot of problems. So my main task is to manage all those things and managing the financial gym, so taking fees from all people.
Mm-hmm.
So some
Mm-hmm.
people will feel awkward while I'm asking fees to them in front of all guys.
Mm-hmm.
uh, that's my job, but they will
Mm-hmm.
take it too serious why these guys are asking his what is his age, like some egoistic person will raise up
Mm-hmm.
sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
In on initial stages of my job I faced lot of problems like raising on me and fighting on all that and all that. So in 1 2 months I learned how to handle such peoples and like do maska polish to them. And so
Okay.
this is one of my experience. I
Okay.
faced a lot of challenges.
Okay. And how did you manage? Like, how did you manage to overcome them? How did you manage your studies with the job that you were doing?
One side my passion about software engineering, and another side is
Mm-hmm.
responsibilities that I have to handle of my own family na. So I
Mm-hmm.
have to manage. While working as a manager I on that
Mm-hmm.
time we have online classes. So
Mm-hmm.
studying from home, okay, right. The gym timing is from morning 5 to 10
Mm-hmm.
usually, and
Mm-hmm.
evening 6 to 10. So I used to wake up at 4 o'clock and go to gym at 5. I have to open gym and manage all things like cleaner is coming or not. He has to clean all those things.
Mm-hmm.
I have to check that. And
Mm-hmm.
there is
Mm-hmm.
trainer in our gym. Two trainers are there. They are training guys
Mm-hmm.
properly or not. I have to check that. I have to inform all these things to the owner. So I have to manage
Mm-hmm.
all these things. Then online classes, I didn't face a lot of problem. So
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. And is there any particular event or a moment in your academic journey or with smart interviews that had a profound impact on you?
actually, after completing our training in phase one, Amit Bansal
Mm-hmm.
sir gave us uh, bottles for all those guys who are performing well. So
Mm-hmm.
performing wise, I am very low on phase one.
Mm-hmm.
But I
Mm-hmm.
used to ask so many doubts to sir. Even though
Mm-hmm.
I know the answer, sometimes I want to know how he will explain and all. So I will
Mm-hmm.
ask so many questions. So at last, sir gave me a bottle for being asking so many questions, like so interactive student. So
Mm-hmm.
from that day I got hype to learn more and motivated on from that day. So I performed well in
Mm-hmm.
phase 2 where Abhishek sir used to train us.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is one of the moment where I got motivated.
That's great. So, how was your learning experience with smart interviews? What was it like, and how did it help you?
Okay, uh, I will be very honest. Okay, uh, on initial stages in our phase 1 training,
Mm-hmm.
my catching power is slow, but Amit Bansal
Mm-hmm.
sir will used to train us from this speed. So
Mm-hmm.
most of our guys are scared about Amit Bansal sir has as he's sometimes so anger, right? You
Yeah,
know.
yeah, yeah.
So most of the peoples don't ask doubts because of this fear. So I
Mm-hmm.
want to point out that one thing. Uh, rest I don't have any like sort of things. I got good experience. Initial stages I used to struggle because I don't catch that speed na. So I used to
Mm-hmm.
go for it. slowly, be after 1 2 months, I got I catch Amit Mansal speed, and I learned many things.
So, can you like briefly explain your journey with smart interviews?
I didn't expecting that I got select for smart interviews. Basically, in our college, they keep exam to for selection particular students to smart interviews, right? So initial stages, I didn't even understand the problem statements also, how to tackle them. Even even I did the polytechnic 3 years. I know languages like C, C++, Java, Python, or in initial stage of engineering also. But I don't even write a program. I know syntaxes, but I didn't know about how to solve a problem. There is a problem solving also. We use these languages for problem solving. I don't even know all these things. When I joined Smart Interviews, I got an idea about what is the time complexity actually. In initial stages, I
Okay.
only know about what is the time complexity, what is space complexity, but where we use these concepts, why all these things are there in engineering, I got to know after I joined Smart Interviews. I used to understand what is a problem, how to tackle them. Even though in initial stages, I used to solve one problem in 1 2 days because lot of time I know, but time spent I practice a lot and learn from session. And I used to solve after that training all those problems where I solve those problems in 1 2 days. Now it seems like I can solve it in 10 to 15 minutes. Like, so I got to know how to tackle a problem, how to which data structure it will be implemented, which data in this current situation. I got a good knowledge about it.
So now that you have got the job, like how's your
Yes.
family feeling right now, and how you are feeling right now? What was it like when you got the call?
I can't express really that feeling actually. Uh, I didn't even told to my parents that I got a job. I am giving exams to companies. When I got the job, I didn't even inform them that I am coming to home. So actually, my father is an auto driver.
Okay,
So
okay.
yeah, so he used to go morning 10 o'clock. So that I got informed about that I got a placement. Next day morning, I booked a train and I
It's
gone to
okay.
home on the day. Literally,
Hmm.
my parents cried. If you see the video, I took the video on the day. I will post it on LinkedIn one day. So on that
Okay.
day, yeah, you can understand my feelings right now. So
Okay.
on that day, my parents are so happy. Actually, in our
It's a
family, there
success.
is no engineer in whole my father's family or my mother's family.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
That
Okay.
is
So
also
now that you have made your family proud,
yeah.
so what's next? What's next? What's your future goal?
I
What's the
have so
plan?
many responsibilities of my family. My father told to do my sister's marriage and build a home. All these responsibilities on me.
Okay, 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 okay. So, like, if I ask you to recommend smart interviews to others, so would you recommend them?
When juniors got exam for selection of in smart interviews, I used to tell them from one first year, do practice, do all those things. You have to select. You should select in smart interviews. If you are not selecting, there is no engineering is not worthy. So select. You should be selected in smart interviews. So all those
Oh,
juniors got selected in smart interviews.
that's great. That's great, and thank you for recommending us to them.
Yeah, yeah.
So, if I ask you to explain smart interviews in one word or a sentence, what would it be?
One word for me. is life changer.
Thank you for your kind words, Zishan. It means a lot coming from you as well. Like, I mean, you have come a long way, and I basically wish good luck to you, and wish basically like all the best for your future endeavors. And it
Thank
was
you.
nice having a chat with you. You have a
Thank,
really beautiful smile. Keep smiling. Okay.
thank you. Thank you. You too.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you liked it. To enjoy more content like this, please like and subscribe to our channel, and please let us know in the comments what other content would you like us to create. Thank you once again, and we'll see you in the next Smart Success video.